Hi all, I'm Dan Smigrod, founder of the We Get Around Network Forum. Today is Friday, February 23rd, 2017. And I just wanted to kind of share with you, I have 3 of these to give away. The VR Kit. You put your smartphone in this rotator, and you press the button and it just turns around slowly. And you can use that to create a 360. I know you're going to say, oh my gosh, why would I want to do that? I'm shooting Matterport or I'm shooting with a DSLR. I'll explain that in a second. So it's the theVRKit.com. See what else we got here. And then here's one out of the box that I've been using. See if I can turn that around. Okay. It's got different speeds. Mode is which speed you want it to complete a 360 in 20 seconds, in 40 seconds or 60 seconds, start, stop, and there's an on and off switch. That's a consumer grade mount at the bottom. And then this is where your smartphone goes in vertically, and then you can actually take this piece off and you can attach whatever accessory that you have. You might have yet another way that you want to attach your iPhone or something else, but that's a consumer grade mount. And then I also have 3 of these. This is the VR Kit. This is a fisheye lens that's been specially developed to work with your smartphone and the VR Kit Rotator. Let's see. I got that upside down and backwards. And that's probably help. That might be helpful. So, so you can imagine if you put your iPhone in and you have this fisheye lens and your phone rotates, you're essentially taking a spherical 360. And I know that may seem kind of old school to many of us, but you know, if you want to use Zillow 3D Home, you need to use an iPhone to shoot the 360. Now, we did an entire program yesterday, Zillow 3D Home for newbies. As of today, Friday, February 23rd, 2018, Zillow is testing Zillow 3D Home in Phoenix. But by the end of this year, by the end of 2018, they will be rolling out to other markets. And even if you're shooting with Matterport or some other fancy schmancy 3D tour solution, the only way to do a 3D tour is to use an iPhone. Not even today an Android device, but an iPhone, and you could hold it and rotate it, or you could mount this on top of your tripod with your iPhone and have it rotate and just be a kind of efficient in your workflow. So, so I don't want to run a contest on this. What I really want to do is have people who want to use this in conjunction with Zillow 3D Home to take that for a test drive. Zillow 3D Home, if you're in the United States, you can download the Zillow 3D Home app. It's totally free. And then you can pair it with the VR Kit Rotator. And so I want to just make sure that we give them so that you can test out Zillow 3D Home using a rotator, an iPhone, your tripod, and then second, that you can use and you don't need the fisheye lens to do that. But then second, to use the VR Kit iPhone app. It also works on Android, but I'm trying to find iPhone people here because Zillow only works with iPhone at the moment. And you know, play with this and then just write about it in the forum. If you like it, great. If you don't like it, great. But just I want to find members of our community, the We Get Around Network Forum community, that want to write about it. I'm looking for 3 photographers in the United States. Make it easy for me to ship it to you. I don't want it back. I got 3 of them. The folks at the VR Kit sent them to me. They're a member of the We Get Around Network Forum, a premium member. They sent them to me. I didn't want to just do a contest. I actually want people who want to review it. So the requirements are you live in the continental United States, you have an iPhone, you're willing to do a review, and you're willing to do the Zillow Zillow with it and test it, and then just write about it in the forum, and then you can keep it. Doesn't have to be a long post, but as long as you like. And you do need to be a member of the We Get Around Network Forum. It is a free community. You can join for free, but you need to be a forum member. So if you're interested in this, just send me a private message and raise your hand. And in a day or three, I'll make a decision, mostly based on, you sent me a nice note that if you've been posting a lot in the forum, and you're helping the community, then my bias is to send it to you rather than somebody who's just joined the forum, never seen them post, but wants free stuff. Okay. So anyway, thank you on that. And I got one other item. So, and I'll actually have more information below. I'll post the recording of this video in the We Get Around Network forum, and there'll be some additional info there as well.